Hi folks, Joe G here with Masshole e-bikes and drones. Hope you're having a great day today. Today it is snowing out, quite the opposite of what I had yesterday. Yesterday I had a perfect day of sunny weather, 40 degrees. Today it's snowing, but I still want to take the Mini 5 Pro from DJI out and just demonstrate what it can do in a snowstorm. So anyways, I've got the drone in the air already, as you can see. So let's take it to my favorite farm and let's do a quick fly around and see how it performs. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is I am going to do a point of interest and just do a quick zoom around. Okay, gotta put my glasses on so I can see where I am. Get that height a little bit lower. And maybe what I'll do is I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay. Put a box around it. And do a fly around. What is this message that it's giving me? It's giving me an X. I'm not sure what that's all about. Okay, point of interest. And let's go around the house. See how it does. Okay, let's zoom back out so we can see the actual snow perhaps. Okay, so we got a kind of a wet snow, probably right on the border of being sleet, but looks like the drone is doing just fine. Let you know if I see any sort of error messages. We'll be quick to bring it back. I don't know how good it is for the drone, but I really love flying the drone when it's snowing out. I think it just gives it a really nice scenic visual. Okay, so it looks like it's handling that just fine. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop, return to home. And let's see how close it gets to the landing pad. Okay, so you can see the green trail showing where the drone is going. Really love that feature of the newer drones. Okay, let's see how close we're gonna get. Okay, right now it's showing it's off a little bit, but usually when it gets closer it starts to hone in a little bit. Okay, you can see sort of that shadow. It looks like it's headed right for the landing pad. Looks like we might have a perfect landing here. All right, so pretty darn good. Okay, so that was the DJI Mini 5 Pro flying in the snow. Did a quick point of interest, came back, no problems, and a perfect landing. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, if you could give me a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Hope to make more content on the Mini 5 Pro from DJI. So please keep your eye out for that. I thank you. Have a great day.